Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC token. In my last video, I was telling you that the price line of LRC may retest the support of a down channel, and from there we can expect a reversal to the upside. Now, if we watch the daily time frame chart, then the price line is getting reversed from there. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this daily live time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line started the formation of this down channel in November 2021, and we had several touch points at the resistance and several touch points at the support as well. The interesting thing on this channel is that the price line is testing the resistance more than the support. That is an indication that the price line can break out the resistance, because the more it will test the support or resistance, the more there will be chances for the breakout or breakdown the support or resistance. Right now, in this case, it is testing the resistance again and again more than the support. And you can see that it is nicely getting bounced by the support of the channel, and also this daily 200 simple moving average, that is also a very strong support. And the RSI was extremely oversold, and right now you can see it is turning bullish. And while getting bounced by the support of this down channel on the daily time frame, if we switch to the hourly time frame chart, even on the 4-hourly time frame, it will be more visible. Then here we can see that the price line has also broken out another resistance, and this is the resistance of a falling wedge. That was a falling wedge pattern, because the support was coming from here, and when the price line reached here, it did not touch the support again. It was moving here with the resistance, because here on the hourly time frame it formed a down channel, and this was the support of a newly formed down channel, and here we have the resistance. Let me switch to the hourly time frame, then it will be more visible for us to watch this move. You can see that the price line was moving in a down channel very well, and here for a while we had a fake out to the downside, but re-entered the channel, because here we were having a running support of a very big wedge, and the price line was bounced by this support, and it tested the resistance, and after few rejections, the price line has finally broken out this resistance of this down channel, and also the falling wedge resistance as well. Now it can reach here at this resistance, that is at $1.60, and then it can reach here at the tail of this falling wedge, that will be approximately here at $2.05. And when the price line will be reached here, then it will be really very close to this resistance of this down channel on the daily time frame to break it out. And as in my previous video, I told you that whenever the price line, if we switch to the weekly time frame, then it can be more visible for us. Whenever the price line has found any resistance, like during this move, for example, this was also a resistance, by the way, and broke it out, we had a nice rally. Then here price line found another down trend line resistance. That was another down channel as well. This was a support, by the way. And after breaking out this down channel, we had another rally. Here we found a small resistance, and we again had another nice rally, very big rally. Then the price line found another resistance here as well. By the way, this was a falling wedge pattern, and after breaking out this resistance, the price line had another nice rally to the upside. Here the price line found another resistance, then we had another powerful rally. Therefore, this time again we can expect another powerful rally. However, the target can be after breaking out this down channel here at this resistance, that will be our final resistance as well, approximately at $3.66. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.